One thing I truly like about research in the academic and in particular in the Cambridge setting is how you get to work with a lot of exceptional people from essentially all over the world with a lot of different backgrounds who have the one thing in common, that they are all very excited about science and research. My research program is about antibody discovery by rational design, so at the computer. They have become key tools really all over the spectrum of biological and biomedical sciences, where they are routinely employed to address questions and literally enable new discoveries, but they are also key reagents in diagnostics, and they are the fastest growing class of therapeutic molecules on the market. And my research about computational design, essentially, if you imagine that we could design an antibody in a computer, then you would of course be able to cut the time and the cost associated with the antibody discovery and optimization process, but even more importantly, probably you would be able to do things that are currently very challenging, if not impossible, such as obtaining antibody that bind to a pre-selected regions of interest on your molecular target, and this can be very important for some therapeutic applications, or even carrying out in the computer highly controlled parallel screening of different biological properties of the antibody. On the short term, the core impact is that this technology can be used to develop new tools for research, which is something we are already doing in collaboration with other groups and some pharmaceutical or biotech companies. And of course, in the long term, I believe that computational technology will be, in a sense, the future of a biomolecule development. So in the future it will be possible to design biotherapeutics with the desired characteristic entirely in the computer, and then just test one or very few sort of hits in the laboratory setting. So I did my undergrad and master studies mostly in Italy, with 1 year in London as an exchange program, and I have a master degree in theoretical physics and then a PhD in chemistry from the University of Cambridge. From there I moved on to a biomedical postdoctoral fellowship called Borisiewicz Biomedical Science Fellowship here in the University of Cambridge. And now this fellowship is coming to an end, and the next month I will be joining the department as an academic PI, essentially lecturer equivalent position, supported by the Royal Society through a university research fellowship.